Hello, dear Cancerians. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind, these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay. And the second thing, that the roles can be reversed anytime. So let's start. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Cancerians. Your partner's current energy right now is I had already shuffled it, but yeah. Eight of Wands, need of communication. This person wants to communicate. This person wants to have back and forth communication. They want to clear some kind of miscommunication or misunderstanding. Okay, so for some of you, I feel like this person wants to communicate with you. This is back and forth communication. This is fast communication, and they want to share lots of things with you. Okay, they want to clear the air with you. And for some of you, this person right now might be traveling overseas because of work or because of just giving a break to themselves. These are two factors that they are right now currently experiencing. For most of you, I feel like this person needs to communicate with you. They want to communicate with you. Back and forth communication, lots of communication. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands in their current energy. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands in their current energy. Oh, Three of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Okay. So yeah, this person definitely wants to talk to you because they are heartbroken, completely shattered, completely sad and depressed, coming out of a phase where they were completely heartbroken, healing from this heartbreak, and wants to communicate with you. They are just in this verge of when you will be able to connect with them, or when they will be able to connect with you, and they want to restart this connection. They want to send you a text and send you a message or a call or something like that, just to communicate with you, just to clear the air with you, just to heal from this situation. But again, I feel like right now, till now, this person is silent. They are trying to listen to their intuition now, and their intuition is telling them very badly, you can say. Their intuition is pushing them to connect with you, to clear the air with you. Okay, to have communication with you. It's not just a communication of hi hello, it is a communication of having lots of communication back and forth. Might be you guys are going to talk to each other like for 2-3 days in a row, to clear everything between you guys. Okay, let's see, Cancerians, what's your current energy? Cancerians, your current energy right now is, let's see. I don't know why the cards are just this is your energy, Magician. So you're manifesting something right now. You're manifesting something. You have each and every resource with you. You have cups, you have wands, you have swords, you have pentacles, everything with you. Can you see the infinity symbol? Infinity symbol. See, the universe is behind you. Universe is helping you manifest this particular thing, whatever you are manifesting. But right now you are manifesting, knowingly or unknowingly, you are manifesting something in your life. Let's clarify what you are manifesting right now, Cancerians. What kind of manifestation is going on right now? Let's see. Ten of Swords. Oh, Eight of Cups. Emperor. You have took some kind of decision. See, you are feeling like somebody backstabbed you, somebody walked away, and you are just manifesting. You have took a decision. You have took a decision regarding something. Could be dealing with the Aries here. Okay, and I feel like you are manifesting somebody back in your life. You are manifesting somebody who walked away from you. Okay, somebody, might be you walked away from somebody, and now you have took a decision that you want this person back in your life. This might be the case for some of you, and for others of you, I feel like right now you are just manifesting peace in your life, peace in your environment, peace in your life. You are very adamant. You are behaving very adamant and very rude towards something, and you are manifesting this whatever decision you took. You are manifesting this decision in your life. You want to apply this decision to your life. So might be you're manifesting a person back to your life because somebody walked away, and somebody made you feel like, yeah, shit. Somebody made you feel like backstabbed and betrayed, and you are just manifesting peace in your life. Yeah, This is everyone's manifestation right now. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you. This card jumped out. Justice could be dealing with a Libra. So I feel like this person is judging this connection all over again. See, this is the Justice card. I feel like this person is judging this relationship. They are, not they were not sure about this connection in the past. Now they are sure. Now they are feeling like they should justice with their own emotions, at least, if not with you or if not with the connection. They should do justice with their own emotions, with their own thinking, with their own beliefs regarding this particular connection with you. Now this person feels like they should have justice in this connection. They should just do justice for with you and with you and with themselves, with their feelings as well. Okay, let's clarify the justice in their feelings for you. The Devil, 5 of Cups, and 6 of Swords. See, Cancerians, it's a very heavy energy that you both are carrying right now. Very, very heavy energy. So I feel like this person is feeling like they should come out of this toxicity, this negativity. They are missing you very much, missing you very, very much. They are regretting what they did with you. They are regretting the past. Whatever happened between you guys, they are just regretting this thing. Okay, and they're trying to move towards a calmer phase of life. Still they are carrying lots of baggages of the past. They are trying their best to make this connection work out and to make this connection be in a peaceful place, be in a calmer phase, so that you guys can communicate, so that you guys can reconnect with each other. They're trying their best to serve justice to this situation. Okay, trying their best to serve justice. They feel like they should come out of this codependency thing. Might be you guys were codependent on each other. Might be there was some kind of toxicity. Yes, definitely there was some kind of toxicity, bondage or boundaries. Might be there was a third party situation. It could be a chance with like very few of you, but yes, there might be a situation where you or the other party was involved with somebody else and there was an obligation from their side. It's not always a third party situation. It's not always a romantic partner. It could be anybody who was having some kind of influence on the connection. So now they are feeling like they should come out of this toxicity, negativity, obligation, and now they are missing you very much, grieving your loss, and they are not able to see anything else right now. That's why they are feeling like they should do justice with their feelings, because these are their feelings. And now this person wants to keep this connection with you, and they want this connection to move towards a better future, to move towards a peaceful resolution or peaceful calming future. Okay, this is what is happening. Now let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ace of Wands. This person wants a brand new beginning in this connection with you. See, I told you, this person wants to communicate with you. This is the 8 of Wands and this is the Ace of Wands. This person wants a brand new start with you, and this is passionate start. They want to, this is passionate start. This is not just like, yeah, hi, hello, and let's do it again and all that. This is some kind of start where you guys might be traveling together. Might be this person will take you to a place where you have never been, take you to a date where you guys are going to explore beautiful things together, beautiful new things together. And this is beautiful card of traveling and starting this connection with all over again, and with passion, with lots of passion. For some of you it is called it is physical intimacy as well. Might be this person wants to start this connection with the physical intimacy thing. Okay, you can say physical pleasure thing also, the sexual things also, right? But this person is feeling like very passionate about you, and they feel like there should be a passionate brand new beginning in this connection. They want this from you. They want a communication from your side. They want this connection to restart again, and you are manifesting peaceful thing in your life. You have taken some kind of decision actually, and you are just sticking to that decision, and you are manifesting this person to come back to you. You are adamant. I don't feel like you are going back to them, and you are even showing them that you need them back in your life. but deep down I feel like Cancerians, you feel like this person should come back to you and you're manifesting them back in your life, right? I told you that before as well, but at this point I felt like I should tell you this again, because these are connected feelings. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands and what they want from you. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles, stability, the Chariot, very determined, and Four of Swords. So all this person wants from right now from you is this Ace of Wands. I told you, a brand new beginning. They are trying to balance everything. They are trying to balance their emotions. They are trying to balance their stability, balance their mental health, physical health, okay, and healing too. They are healing too. So what they want from you is, I feel like they want you to heal from a situation, to move on from a situation that was painful for you, that was hurtful for you, and heal from that situation, okay? And after the healing process is done, all they want from you is to have a brand new beginning with you. This is what they want from you. They want you to heal and move on from this situation that was not worthy of having pain, or that was not working out for you, and please heal from the situation. They want you to heal completely from the past and start a brand new life with them, start a brand new connection with them. This is what is happening. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 21st of August. Let's see. Six of Cups. Yes, this past person is coming back to you. This past person is coming back to you, and these are severe nostalgia. Severe nostalgia is coming towards you. Past person is coming back towards you. You are going to feel the memories, the sweetness, everything that you have encountered in the past. You are going to relive the past. This is what is coming towards you till the you can say 21st of August. Reliving the past again with the same person, with the person whom you were not connected to, might be from a very long time. Okay, let's see. Page of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. See, I feel like this person was hiding this from you from a very long time, that they want to reconnect with you. This is a connection coming in towards you. This is somebody coming in towards you. See, this is Ace of Wands. This is what they want from you. This is Page of Wands. This person is coming with a message of passion and passionate energy. This is very passionate energy, and I feel like now they are coming out of this self-deceptive phase, where they were trying to hide from you that they want you in their life and they want a long-term committed relationship with you. They see you as a family, okay? They were self-deceptive. They were hiding this from themselves, from you as well, from a very long time, that they need you in their life back. So the past is coming back towards you. Nostalgia, nostalgic feelings, nostalgic memories, everything beautiful is coming back towards you till the 21st of August. Okay, so thank you so much for connecting with me, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.